What's up, YouTube? This is JB back with another video. This video is going to be different than my other videos because I'm not going to be actually working on the car or anything in this video, but this video is going to be more about my intro that I play before my videos. The other intro is outdated in a sense because I've done so many things to the car, and it was like more like when I first got the car. So now this new intro is more updated, and let me know what y'all think. Alright, so that's the new intro. And for all the new people to the channel, I'm about to play the old intro right now so you can see what it used to look like. Alright, so that's how the old video used to look, and hopefully y'all like the new one better. I mean, you should, because the car looked better. But I'm gonna start doing some more videos, but then I'm gonna start doing some videos talking to y'all about different stuff, get y'all opinion on different things such as motor, interior, paint, and stuff like that. And there'll be some more videos of me working on the car. But until next time, alright, peace.